And the yen is fading very fast, and it's struggling like a fish out of water. And the BOJ is starting to notice.
Companies are also passing on higher costs in the goods they sell, which is pushing up prices on a wide range of products. Deputy Governor Uchida Shinichi hosted the news conference after the meeting as Governor Ueda Kazuo is hospitalized for medical treatment. Uchida said the bank will continue to raise its interest rate and adjust the degree of monetary accommodation.
We will consider the timing and pace of adjustment while closely monitoring the impact of the future course of the situation in the Middle East on Japan's economic activity and prices, and examining the likelihood of realizing the baseline scenario of the outlook for economic activity and prices.
Faster rate hikes are now being openly discussed as the only real way to stop the slide. And they haven't officially announced a new faster path just yet, but the pressure is clearly rising and markets are treating a September move as increasingly likely. Even with that growing expectation, the yen still can hold the strength from last intervention, and the pound is already fading. A former top Japanese currency diplomat just said that the yen is clearly too weak and that another round of intervention could come at any time. And the interest rate gap with the US is still way too wide, and Japan's fiscal situation remains a heavy weight. Until those underlying forces change, the yen keeps getting pulled lower again. Intervention, sure, it buys time. The talk of faster hikes creates temporary hope in the markets, like I was telling you in previous videos before, but the market is showing that neither has fixed the real pressure yet.